What's going on, everybody? I'm Hunter with Carolina Cat's Power Rental Systems Group. When you think of us, you probably think about reliable generators and great service, but what you don't think about is our temperature control units like chillers, and what we're going to focus on today is our AC units that we have. Every year we see the same challenges when it gets hot, whether it's industrial plants or job site trailers, overheating due to an undersized HVAC system, or new projects under construction not having permanent systems tied in yet. When temperatures and humidity increase, productivity on the job sites decrease. That's where our commercial rental air conditioning units come into play, especially our 12 and 30 ton units. Our 12-ton units are great for targeted spaces like trailers, offices, smaller enclosed job sites, or individual maintenance bays, and even events. When you need more coverage, the 30-ton unit handles larger enclosed areas. Full shops, multiple rooms, perfect for peak summer heat and high humidity. And they provide more than just AC. They cool and dehumidify, giving you full climate control. And what does that mean for you? It's simple. Better working conditions for your employees to work more efficiently and happier. Whether you're managing a construction site, a facility, or setting up for an event, no matter what, Carolina Cat Power Rental has your back when and whenever you need it. Give us a call today to talk to myself or one of our other experts.